Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing the weekly setup in my PR and social media planner. This is a DIY disc bound planner with tool disc and tool cover. I'll be using these Halloween deco stickers from COCO'S Vision and this customized doll that I created based on a doll from Fabulously Creative. I'll also be using this washi tape. This was from the collab between Simply Gilded and Cookie Sticker Co. So let's get to it. So in previous videos, I set up the October 22 cover page. I'll put a link in the iCard up above to that, as well as my goals page and the monthly calendar. There'll be links in the iCard. Okay. We're going to be doing the week of the 3rd, October 3rd through the 9th, October 2022. And this is where we're at. Let's see. I'm going to use this washi down at the bottom. There is a stick issue with this washi. It doesn't really have a good stick. I think I'm going to have to use a little, yeah, the stick is really bad. I'm going to have to use some glue stick here, which might make for a little bit of a messy setup, but I really want to use this washi tape, so. All right, let's do this little piece here, and then I think I'm gonna give up on that washi tape. I might use that in my junk journal since I gotta put glue on it. I don't know, we'll see. All right, so I may end up using a different washi up at the top, or no washi at all. Let's see. I guess I could use an orange tape up there. Let's do that, because I don't want to have to deal with the glue situation. Also gives it a traditional look. So that looks pretty decent. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and place the doll, which I probably should wait, but I'm going to go for it anyway. And I'm actually going to put her over here this time. There we go. With her in place, I'm going to use this I Put a Spell on You plaque because I think it's really cute. Let's use this pumpkin and raven or crow or whatever it is. Not sure. I think I'll save that one. Let's put this right here. I have the basic boxes, the latest release, and I'm going to use some of those for this. This is the one for Halloween. I was going to put something behind this, but let's just do it like this. I'm going to use this box here. Let's not do that one. Let's do one of these. Now let's go in and sprinkle some more of that deco throughout. Let's put these aside. I like this pumpkin in the hands. Let's put it over here. So now that's it for my deco. Let's put some script stickers down. Do I want to use some from CHELA Plan? Let's see what I got in CHELA Plan. Let's use a must do up here on the washi. And let's do today. And then we're gonna do work. And I guess I'll do plan here. All right, let's go ahead and pop this back in because I think we are done. So that is it. That is the weekly setup in my PR and social media planner. The doll is a customized doll that I created based on a doll from Fabulously Creative. The deco stickers are from COCO'S Vision. The script stickers are from CHELA Plan. The orange washi tape is from Simply Gilded, and the black washi with the drip and the bows is the collab washi from Simply Gilded and Cookie Sticker Co. And of course, the inserts are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites, as well as the basic boxes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.